Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a new tattoo. Start by keeping the bandage on for the time your artist recommends, then wash your hands and gently clean the tattoo with mild soap and lukewarm water. Pat dry with a clean towel and apply a thin layer of recommended ointment. Keep the area moisturized, avoid soaking, and wear loose clothing to reduce irritation while it heals. After the first few days, switch to a fragrance-free moisturizer and apply it sparingly 2 to 3 times a day. Avoid soaking the tattoo in baths or pools and skip saunas and hot tubs until healed. Keep the tattoo out of direct sun and use SPF once healed to preserve color. Wear clean, loose clothing to avoid friction and check daily for signs of infection like increased redness or unusual discharge. Healing takes time and patience, so avoid picking scabs or peeling skin to prevent scarring and pigment loss. Mild itching and peeling are normal. Gently moisturize instead of scratching. Keep hydrated and eat nutrient-rich foods to support skin repair, and avoid heavy exercise that may stretch the area excessively. If you notice severe pain, swelling, or pus, contact your artist or a medical professional promptly for assessment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.